Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to verify a Skrill account. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just type right here, Skrill, right? And you're going to download the Skrill app and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to verify your Skrill account, it's simple. Once you have started using your Skrill account, you will have the option to verify your identity by uploading a valid and readable photo of your ID along with a selfie, and then you're gonna be able to remove any limits or blocking that's been enforced by the Skrill corporate or Skrill wallet. And note, they will do the best to quickly review and accept your document regardless of the language they are in. Depending on the available options for your country, you may be able to directly start a verification process via section settings, verification and features, or maybe you may be asked to fund your account first by making a deposit or receiving a payment. You will then be taken to verify the account page where all the remaining verification steps will be displayed. Alright, let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.